Hello everybody, this is Bee from Mama Bee's Kitchen. I hope you have a great day. Today guys, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite, easiest cake recipe. No fuss red velvet cake recipe. Let's get right into it. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. Okay. You'll need cake mix, unsweetened cocoa, eggs, red food color, oil. I'm using canola oil, and some water. This recipe here is for the red velvet cake. Now we're gonna go this side, and this one is for cream cheese filling. I have cream cheese, sugar, butter, eggs, vanilla, and flour. So let's get started guys. We're gonna start off by making the filling. Into my bowl I'm gonna add butter, cream cheese, okay, I'm gonna beat this until smooth. Then I'm gonna add my sugar, next I'm gonna add vanilla to the egg and pour into the cream cheese butter mixture. Then I'm gonna continue beating this until smooth. I'm gonna stop my mixer. Using my spatula, I'm gonna scrape my bowl. Now I'm gonna add my flour and mix until combined. Our filling is ready, then I'll put it aside. Now it's time to put our no hassle red velvet cake. Into my bowl I'm gonna add canola oil, water, eggs, cocoa powder. Mind you guys, I'm using unsweetened cocoa powder. Then I'm gonna add my cake mix. Then I'm gonna mix everything until well incorporated. Okay, now I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna add red food coloring. Then I'm gonna continue mixing. Okay, our batter is well combined, and now it's time to transfer it to a pan. I have my pan greased and floured. Now I'm gonna transfer half of the batter into the pan. Next, I'm gonna take my cream cheese filling and place it on top of the cake batter, just like so, guys. Make sure that it doesn't feel the edge, it just has to stay in the middle. Next, I'm gonna pour the remaining batter and cover the cream cheese. Using the butter knife, I'm gonna swirl cream cheese filling into the cake. Make sure, guys, you do not swirl too much. Just like so, guys. Now our cake is ready to bake. I'm gonna bake this at 350 for 45 minutes. Our cake is done. And guys, to test for doneness, insert toothpick, and if it comes clean, you are all set. Allow this cake to cool in the pan for 10 minutes before you invent it. Next, we're gonna do icing. In here, I have 2 tablespoons of butter and 4 tablespoons of cream cheese. I'm gonna beat this together. Then I'm gonna add my sugar, 1 cup of icing sugar. Half and half. I'm gonna stop here, scrape my bone, then I'm gonna add vanilla, okay guys. Now we're gonna, you see this icing, guys, I like it. It just sits there. It ain't go nowhere. Just gonna drape a little bit. Okay. So. This cake, guys, is so good. Okay. There you have it, guys. Red velvet cake. This recipe, guys, is so easy, hassle-free. What you do, you just take a white cake mix, follow the instructions on the box, then just add a red food coloring. Then you are all set. You have your red velvet cake. So if you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama B's Kitchen. Please subscribe and Don't forget to hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos so that you don't miss any of our videos. Guys, share this video with your friends and your family, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.